Price $1 million US. Only 2 total examples of the Diablo GT1 were produced. In 1996, Automobili Lamborghini S.p.A. contacted SAT in France to design and build a race version of the Diablo to be able to compete in the GT championships, much like the Porsche GT1 from 1997. Powering the Diablo GT1 is Lamborghini's naturally aspirated V12, bumped up to 655 horsepower. The car accelerates from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 3 seconds with a top speed of 217 miles per hour. Price $1.32 million US. Only 2 total examples of the Lamborghini Concept S were produced. The Lamborghini Concept S is a concept car based on the Gallardo. It was built in 2005 and was first shown at that year's Geneva Motor Show. Price $1.37 million US. The Lamborghini Reventon is a mid-engine sports car that debuted at the 2007 Frankfurt Motor Show. Only 20 total examples of the Reventon were produced, with 1 additional car produced for the Lamborghini Museum. The engine is the same